Hello, Colby. This will probably be the last video feedback I give you. It'll be brief, but I wanted you to know that if you have any hurdles in the next 2 weeks, don't hesitate to reach out. And I wish you much strength. Okay, so this looks complete. I'm going to open up your screenshots too. It's good that you're considering documenting your process too. I like your banner ad very much. The typography, the type that you chose, what is that? It looks like a pen form from antiquity. Anyway, all of your screenshots, what is that typeface? Can I tell from down here? No. Anyway, good documentation of process. I see that, especially in your timeline use and your control of the color palette. What is this, 256 colors? That is the screen palette, or the common screen palette. Not a whole lot of colors. For you to be getting these kinds of gradations is really commendable. So I've opened up the screen, the Photoshop file. I see that you've used the appropriate tools, including the timeline video editor. So you're a step ahead. You could use the frame-based editor, or you could use the timeline editor. This, of course, this kind of editor is used in videography, and it shows, these as screen clips rather than as frames. So it's probably a more contemporary way to edit, or introduction to a more contemporary way of editing video. Good job. You've got everything on their own layers. I can turn things on or off. You've got things grouped. You have some effects grouped too. Interesting. Anyway, a very sophisticated job. I really have very little to criticize, certainly about the construction of your GIF animation. So most importantly, let me back it up here and see what it looks like in motion. Nice screen transitions. Now this may be moving a little slowly, so what I think I'll do is I'll move over to the GIF animation you posted in the discussion board. Here we go. All right, I like the eraser effect. This is much more languid. I love the way the crystals drop down, and then the whole thing is wiped clean. You might reverse the order. Perhaps this could follow. Yeah, no, I see it does. It does. Just when it loops, I get confused. What can I say about this? This appears pretty briefly to be appreciated, the fall special. And you could probably get that on one line, and maybe just a tad larger. I like that axis you made on the edge of the photograph where you align the crystals. Perhaps you could keep that, maybe have this drop down on the logo, have it drop down here. Just a suggestion. All right, really nice. I have little to say at this point. Maybe I'll come up with something more. Good job.